Welcome back to another video of As Dragonflame, and today we are making the world's deadliest paper airplane. Now you guys might be asking, how can a paper airplane be deadly? Well, it's pretty deadly. Let me show you. Well, we are gonna make it deadly, not make it not get a already made deadly one. So here I made a paper airplane and with a piece of advanced paper. I don't know where I got it from, but here it is. And because normal papers can't hear paper airplanes can't handle too much speed, so I decided to use this paper and a slingshot. Oh, you can't see it. Here, now you can see it. And this guy is our test subject. And here we have a cute ball. And he's going to represent his skull. Represent, whatever. Let's try it down. Warning, my aim is bad, so yeah, it's gonna take a while. Let's first just try hitting it with a normal paper airplane. It fell, no damage. Also, I made the world's largest deadly airplane. It's so large that I can't fit it on camera. Okay, let me just try fitting it. This is the largest paper airplane. And you guys might be asking, why is the video so sturdy? That's why, because I bought it. Try that. Let's try hitting it with the world's largest deadly airplane. We knocked something out of it. It's made out of sea foam. It is knocking pieces out of it. Okay, now to make them deadly. But first, here is a shot with my slingshot. I think I hit my camera. No, let me just get that stone back. Oh, well, it dented his eyeball. Lost shot. Nothing. Also, we have a K on top of it because you know we hate K twister. Now to make the deadliest airplane. To make our deadly thing, we need deadly objects like needles. Yup, needles. We're gonna take some needles and put them. Because you know needles are pretty deadly. Alright. Yup, they are pretty deadly. Except my aim is not deadly. The needles are pretty deadly. Okay. Now to make it. And for making it, we have our little friend tape. Now for fast forward. Now let's try hitting it. Or if I fall. Missed again. I hit it. Okay, so this is not the world's deadliest airplane. Shall we get some rockets? Yup. Okay, to make a rocket, you guys be needing a match, some paper, tape, and this syringe gun. If you don't have it, paper will work. You can just roll it. Whatever. And a scissor. I forgot about that. Turns out you don't actually need a scissor. Oh, whatever. Then just a little watch. Then turn them into powder. After you have all of your powder, just crush it into more powder with something. I'm gonna use a hammer. After you have all of your powder, you can either eat it or save it so you can put it inside your tube. It's kind of hard on camera, so I'm gonna do it off camera. From all that, I got this much powder. Okay, now what do I do with it? Oh, yeah, I gotta fill up the. I'm gonna take all that matches into more powder. I'm not gonna drop it again because I dropped it a lot of it last time. So I'm gonna put it right away. And after that, I was left with this much more powder. It's a lot. So let's make the rocket now. To make the rocket, you'll be needing a lot of gunpowder or match powder, you will say. Then you will just cover the tip with some tape. That's it. Now that's your rocket. Then you can make a little right. You can put a rope except a tape because tape is more secure than I choose tape. Now I don't actually want to turn this into a rocket and make it fail, so let's just let the rocket ramp um also let me set up the camera right angle. Then make sure it's recording because my storage is almost full. The rocket is lit. It's gonna produce a lot of smoke as warning. And I forgot to put something so it can shoot at that. Whatever. Let's see. Also, I forgot to shake it. You need to shake it before you use it. It would start sizzling. And any moment now, it should do that. Okay, that was cool, scary at the same time, but after that you will be left with the match that now runs out of match. See? Oh, it ran out. Pew! The rocket flies. Okay, anyways, that was a complete failure and the rocket doesn't go anywhere, so now I'm just gonna end this video. Bye, stay safe. Also, we doesn't complete that title. This is the world's most deadliest paper airplane, and it must burn the needle. Oh gee. And I'm gonna shoot it at this guy. Shoot! Now let's see him get burned. And here's a needle for you. It smells like cheese and butter now. And the my paper airplane is on fire. Right. Oh, it don't run out. Let's drop it in some water. I'll shoot it as skating. Hurry. Okay. We completed the title of the video and makes the world's most deadliest paper airplane. Yo, the paper airplane is in good condition still. But that guy is not, surely. At the end, we made a lot of pollution. Okay, now goodbye.